Hello guys, what's going on? So today's topic is how to remove the background of an image using Adobe Photoshop. So let's begin. First of all, we need to open Adobe Photoshop software. Now we need to import a new layer. Press Ctrl+N. Then select a size. I'm selecting 1020 into 720p. Transparent. Select this. Transparent. No background color. You have to select transparent, then OK. So this is our transparent background. To make an image transparent, so now you have to move on to File, then Open. Now choose an image. I'm choosing one. Open. Okay. Now press Ctrl+A. Then using this tool, drag it here. Make it fit. Okay. Enter. Okay, now to make the background of this image transparent, you have to use this tool, polygonal lasso tool. Okay, zoom in. So let us start selecting. So using this tool, we are selecting the part we need. Keep selecting, don't pause. Okay. Now match this. Okay, our photo is selected. Now right click, then use select inverse. When inverse selection is done, then move using move tool, move this part away. Okay, then enter, then Ctrl D. Now to remove this, you need to use the magic tool. Select, using move tool, throw this out, enter, Ctrl D. Okay, so this is our image with a transparent background. So to remove these unwanted parts, you can select again. So like this, you can make the image transparent. So now we are saving the image. File, save. you should select the format into PNG form. Select PNG to get the transparent background. Name this file. Save. Press OK. Okay. So our image is saved. Now we will open it. You can see the image. Its background is removed. Let me show you. Open with this. So this is our actual image which we have made just now. So like this you can remove the background of the image. You can use any version of Photoshop software to do this job. So it's fine. You can see the background is totally removed. Now you can use this image in any of the background. Okay. So you can see that was our previous image and that's our result. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Goodbye. Check out our previous videos. Make sure to subscribe for more interesting videos like this.